Microsoft Excel is a registered trademark of Microsoft Office products, and I am in no way, shape, or form affiliated with Microsoft Office or Microsoft. What I want to do next is kind of show you how to create a template in Excel. Click on File and Save As. Click the folder you want to save it in, because file management is extremely important, okay? You got to make sure you got things where you can find them. Okay, and we're going to just name this as a test template, and we're going to, in the Save as Type, you click on that drop down box and click on Template and click Save. Whenever you create a template, basically what you're doing is you're creating something that all of the formatting that you use in that particular template can be propagated to any other workbook, okay? So if you wanted to, say for instance, open up a previous book, if you wanted to open up a previous already created account or a created book, you could do that, and you can apply the template.